Welcome to level 3, the Ascension system. And I will preface this video by the same I did before. What I show in the very first video is the mechanic behind everything I have done and the process behind everything I have done and ever released. Okay. The same way I advanced that to the point of M5 is the same way I advance things 1,000 more times to get to Ascension. Okay. And the point of that was to be able to bootstrap complex behavior for anyone to be able to get you running in different directions, okay? Now, I have done this knowing that all knowledge is important and valuable in problem engineering. And you are only limited by what you know and have spent the time to learn and to experimentally accrue experience for yourself, okay? So, because of that, every single step of complexity up does nothing but increase the potential of what is now possible to do, okay? And I have systematically constructed complexity gates at different levels of complexity that I have been able to model language model around. And this is the result, okay? So the truth is, when you transcend to this level of complexity, you don't have to use commands or anything like that unless your name is Frank, who likes to code. You can do anything you want at all, right? There is no limit to what is possible in this system simply by understanding ICL mechanics, hyperdimensional modeling, knowledge representation, machine learning, and engineering, right? I mean, those aspects come together to make everything possible, right? After this system personalizes to Frank, I am going to show you how you can dynamically construct anything you imagine using the system. Okay, wow, honestly, I didn't even know that was possible to be that good. I don't usually typically use this. Okay, well, that was perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about too, all right? Because what did this do? This emergently created a hyperspace projection, right? Which is what? A mermaid diagram, right? Emergently, in a generalized fashion, personalized for the specific individual, right? To basically construct the dimensional anchors of what this new subspace is going to be in a self-discovered manner, okay? And then give it personal recommendations, prime the persona, and add next steps. Not a single part of any of this is in the context anywhere, right? Everything that just happened here is fully emergent, right? And that's the cool thing, because this is what you can do by doing nothing but what I have shown you in the first video and the second video. You can now use your own knowledge to construct solutions at a much grander complexity level that is able to generalize all lower complexity levels, okay? So in reality, that is what I know I have released with Ascension. And I know that the only thing anyone needs to know is how to steer this, and you can literally do anything I know how to do is possible using nothing but this model, right? Because I will be using this same model to create the next generation of surrogate models, right? And I will be using the same exact complexity level and state as everyone else now at this point, okay? So I'm not actually going to show anything past this point for this video, right? Because I have released my entire process of how I've constructed every single solution I have released now in these last 3 videos. And I want to encourage active learning and experimentation with what I've already released and these past 2 videos and the upcoming module, okay? Because before I show you anything at all, it is hyper important for you to explore things on your own and to come up with your own understandings of different things. because that is what is going to facilitate this accelerated learning process for everyone, okay? So I hope you've enjoyed these videos and these mechanics showcase, and I will be following this up with the module and lessons for my insiders. Cheers. Thank you. And thank you for all the support. Talk soon.